Welcome to this session of Telegram scrapping. So, to scrap any channel from the Telegram, we should be first have a proper Telegram account, and we should have a Telegram API ID and API hash. So tech stack here is the Python. So I'm using Python to scrap the data from Telegram, and there is a open source Python library called Telegram Scrapper that you can do a pip installation, or you can do a git clone. I think the real package is not available for that, so you can just directly do a Telegram Scrapper git clone. They have given a proper documentation here, so that you just copy this git URL and you can clone it. The main purpose of doing a Telegram scrapping is for the marketing, lead generations, or to sending the call DM to subscribers for the similar channels. I mean, it can have multiple uses to compete for the competition monitoring of the target channels. So you can get usernames and all. So that is the main benefit of it, and it might can be used for some deep search for training and all. So I have a clone of this Telegram scrapping in my system. Once you clone, it will look like this. You just have to copy this command for the clone. Just do git, just copy this URL and type here git clone and this and type paste the URL. That's it. And after that, you have to install it using your Python version you are using. So right now I have multiple Python installing systems. So I'm using Py, which is Python 3.11. You can just do pym for the module. So pip install and then requirement.txt. It will skip it because I already have this packages in my system. But for you, you have to install it. So once you have installed, the most important point here is just to set up your API ID and API hash ID, which is must for to proceed further. So they have given steps here. You just log into your Telegram auth and you go to your API development tool option and you fill the form. You will get the API ID and API hash ID. And this is my API hash ID. I can't see it. Sorry, this is my API hash ID. Uh, this is security concern, so I will just mask it in while I upload the video. So once you have your API ID and API hash ID, you can just run this Python scrapper script, a simple step. Then it will prompt with the options how we'd like to proceed. I have already my state and session file. I'm going to delete this so that you can have idea from the beginning. So this Telegram scrapper is asking for the API hash ID, which is number, and then the hash. This is some alphabets. Then I have to give my phone number. Then it will send the notification to my phone number. It will send a notification to my Telegram personal account. So I have to go to the Telegram and copy the token here. So once everything is set up, you will see a state and session file like this. So I'm copying my original state and session file. I'm deleting overwriting. Basically, I'm overwriting this one because I already have everything set up. Now I will run this. So example, I want to scrap a channel called this one of the channel called Online English channel for how much. So to scrap this channel, you must join this channel. So I have already joined this channel from the Telegram app. So you open Telegram app in your phone and go to this channel and subscribe to this channel. So once you subscribe or join this channel, this API will be able to fetch those channels that you have subscribed for. Okay, so this is my Telegram logged in here. So it will scrap all the channels from here. So okay, let's get started now. So okay. So it will ask for, first I have to list the channels. I already have channel listed here. So what I will do is state.json. I will remove this sum of the data here. And at the same time, I will just modify this. So I will start from the beginning. I will delete these folders. Now I don't have any channel listed here. I will terminate the session and I will start again. Now I will first request for to list the channels and I want to add the channels. They have the list of the channel. I want this channel as Hamas. So this is my channel ID. I will enter 5 here. I want to scrap the channel 5. Now I want to scrap the channel with keyboard S. Here I have to give the channel ID, which is my channel ID 1. And so it is starting to scrap my channel which I subscribed for. You can enable the media also so that you can scrap the media files. To scrap the media files, you have to enable this setting using media scrapping is off as of now. With enable, you will get the URL of your media files. Okay, so now it is done. Cool. So it has generated the .db file in my. So you can see this is the new file, and there is a db file here. Now we have to export the file in form of CSV and JSON. So simply we can just press export button, export key, and the data is exported. Yes, so it is very simple. Now if you go to the website here, you can search any of the content here. So suppose this ceasefire took effect. So if I search this in Excel, here we have this. So simple. There is the other way to scrap using this React tool called TG collector, but I found this there is some privacy concern because this asked for the online API ID and hash ID. You can set it on your system as well, but this requires a lot of npm packages in your system, which takes so much memory. So Python is lightweight for this. So here we have covered how to scrap the channel from the Telegram Python script. From the code point of view, they are just using Telethon and the other basic embedder request library to fetch the data from the Telegram and getting a session and fetching the data from the channels. I hope you like this session. Thank you.